The first artist from Pakistan to have presented the Indus Valley civilization and its culture through his artwork, painting, drawings, overseas and particularly in England is Zafar Kazmi. While he was on the British Council Study Fellow program in the years 1978 to 1979. His significant contribution was to donate to the Museum Education Department his collection of 20 drawings and paintings of his own that he had made during his training in England. Those were depicting the figures in the traditional costumes of Sindh, playing Sindhi musical instruments. That donation was his response to the Canaletto appeal by the Museum Education Department of Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery.